Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. I am here in front of Shigar Fort. Shigar Fort is one of its own fascination in Shigar Valley, in GB, in the whole GB. It's an iconic place, and you can see the amalgamation of nature, the beautiful nature here in its romantic way, in its truly way, and the flow of water is quite robust, and we both are enjoying the nature. What do you feel, Mr. Car?
I'm feeling good.
Good, that's absolutely fine. And Mr. If I show you the gigantic cloud, that the mountain is commendable, the atmosphere is cool, you must join this place at any cost. You will have a cherishing moment here. That's from our side. Thank you.